Hey, it's Megan here from Hipstitch Academy, and I'm doing a class on the Felix Dress from Grainline Studio Patterns. And I wanted to do a video of cutting out the taping together and cutting out the pattern. So this video is just getting you started. It's not going to be the whole thing, but it's getting you started. So anyway, the pattern is 6 tiles across and a bunch of tiles down. I'm not honestly certain. There doesn't seem to be a sheet in the instructions showing you the layout, which is kind of a pet peeve of mine. So I don't know if I just printed the instructions wrong and I didn't get it, or they just don't include one. But anywho, however many rows I just laid down, that's how many rows there are. And I am going to tape each of the 6 pieces in the row together, matching up the little triangle or the little diamond shapes. And then I'll start in on the next row, same thing. And I cut off the right side of each page of the pattern so that they could overlap. And that's what I'm doing here. Each of those diamonds will overlap and line up. I for some reason forgot to cut the tops off, but you can see through the paper to line up the triangles when you go to tape the rows together like I'm doing here. You can see through it and still line up the diamonds. But if you're doing this right now, you could also cut the top of each of the little extra on the top of each pattern piece. So again, I'm just going to continue taping each row together, piece by piece, 6 across, and then adding them one by one. And as I can cut out an actual piece of the pattern, I will do that so that my pattern doesn't grow to be this giant monster that takes over my entire table. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and hopefully you're thinking about joining my Felix Dress class. Head over to the Hipstitch Academy website to check out our latest class schedule. We've always got different classes going on that you can take from the comfort of your home anywhere you live. Thanks.